Alrighty. Showing of the pneumatic dent cooler.
Oh, small. We check after how work. Work. Well, good. Check now. Aha. Tu peux encore plus ça tout ça?
Yeah, that's right. Alright, so that's a good sign. A very good sign. And now for more practical.
This is good.
Yeah, but from the big dent off. What do you think?
Very good.
For 59 bucks?
That's a good.
Very good deal.
Yeah.
And you prefer the design with a little handle?
Yeah.
Because as you saw, you can put it on and then
you push off and you just receive out. Good.
much more preferred.
Look. No problem, very strong. Okay, strong.
Now we're gonna try the smaller one, because the big dent is out, but there's still a little bit here, but I don't know how good that's gonna, because the metal is very thick over here, because you have the door hinge right there too.
just taking another different.
And because you have a door hinge right here and metal is thick right there, it's already been repaired once before.
Anyway, no problem.
So we're gonna use the metal one.
No, that's I put the nail and take out.
Yep.
That's a good tool.
Alright, thanks for watching. Give it a like or dislike, but whatever you do, make sure you subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.